Learn to spell and say over 150 words using 5 different play modes with Speak and Spell in its original 80s design. Here are a few tips on this item. While in Try Me mode, press Go to see the words on the screen. No other buttons will work at this time. Remove the Try Me tab, and you are now ready to play.
Go.
Press on and all the modes are ready to be played now.
Spell level A. Spell oven. O V E N.
Enter.
That is correct.
Speak and Spell has 5 play modes. Press Go to activate Spell mode.
Spell 5. F I V E. That is correct.
If at any point in time the tablet does not work, hit the reset button to reactivate it. Speak and Spell is a blast from the past while being a fun learning tool for people of all ages.